You know when a car manufacturer gives a car a facelift? It's not a completely new model, but the design changes, the performance improves, and everything looks like it's from the next generation. That's exactly what Google did with Veo 3.1, and the star of this mid-cycle update is ingredients to video. Now, instead of starting a video from scratch, you use images as a base, characters, objects, backgrounds, or visual styles. In short, the ingredients. And the AI takes these elements and turns everything into a smooth, coherent, professional-looking video, without a complicated timeline and without manual animation. In today's video, I'm going to show you why ingredients to video isn't just another new feature, but a real upgrade in the way creators, designers, and brands produce videos with AI. But first, subscribe to the channel, and to watch the videos without ads, just click the join button. Deal? So let's get to the video. Well guys, today I want to talk to you about this new feature that was just announced by the folks at Google. Listen up. View update. See what's being released. Vertical formats with a more expressive model and improved visual consistency between characters. Objects and backgrounds in Veo 3.1, what's called ingredients to video, which they're calling in Portuguese, elementos para o vídeo. And then it goes on. Next generation video upscaling to 1080p and 4K on all Veo models. And also verification of AI generated videos from Google directly in the Gemini app. So they took Veo 3.1 and improved it, right? They added some features that turned out really interesting. I'll show you in a moment. Continuing here at Google's keyword, listen to what they're saying. Veo 3.1 ingredients to video. More consistency, creativity, and control. Our latest update to Veo generates dynamic and vibrant videos that look natural and engaging. In addition to supporting vertical video generation, that is, in addition to horizontal videos, which is the standard format here on YouTube, now you can also make vertical videos using images as a reference. And then, look at what they say here. Today, Veo is even more expressive, with improvements that help you create more fun, creative, and high-quality videos. Using images of ingredients developed specifically for the mobile format, that is, vertically. We're excited to bring new creative possibilities to everyone, from amateur storytellers to professional filmmakers. So they're launching improvements in Veo 3.1, ingredientes para o video, or ingredients to video, or even elementos para o video. And then it continues, our feature that allows you to create videos based on reference images. This update makes the videos more expressive and creative, even with simple instructions. So, you can generate an image using any artificial intelligence model, upload this image to Veo 3.1, and it transforms that static image into a video. Next, native vertical outputs for ingredients to video, the portrait mode, to enhance the creation of short videos, prioritizing mobile devices. And finally, next generation enhancement for 1080p and 4K resolution for high fidelity production workflows. If you're looking for more dynamic movements, greater control over visual elements, or professional resolution for broadcasts, these updates provide the necessary tools to bring your vision to life. They will be released on the Gemini app, YouTube, Flow, Google Vids, the Gemini API, and Vertex AI. So, pretty much throughout the entire Google ecosystem, we'll have this update working. By the way, it hasn't shown up on my account yet in the Gemini app. I have a Pro account, and it's not showing up there. I can only use it in Flow, and I'll show you in a moment. Now, talking about availability, try out these updates today. In all our products and services, you can now access the new features. Customized for the workflow. Consumers and creators, we're bringing the Veo 3.1 ingredients to video feature directly to YouTube Shorts and YouTube Create for the first time. You can also try out this new improved feature and the portrait mode for Veo in the Gemini app starting today. But like I said, for me it's still not showing up. Moving on, professional and business workflows. The improved Veo 3.1 ingredients to video feature and native support for vertical formats are being rolled out in Flow, the Gemini API, Vertex AI, and Google Vids. With 1080p and 4K resolution options also available in Flow, the API, and Vertex AI. One thing that's important to mention, at least for now, is that this feature still isn't showing up if I'm using a free account. But that's just at the time I'm recording this video. It might be that when you try to access Veo 3.1 in Gemini or Flow, even using a free account, this new ingredients to video feature is already showing up for you as well. And this update is very welcome because everyone already knows that Veo 3.1 is one of the most advanced models we have on the market today. And speaking of baldness, have you noticed how hair loss is still taboo? Even though it's something super common, because according to the WHO, half of men will have some degree of hair loss by the age of 50. There are still a lot of people who avoid talking about it. But the truth is that there is effective and accessible treatment. And most importantly, you can take care of it without any hassle. These results are from people who decided to start treatment with Manual, a platform that connects you to licensed doctors and offers online clinical follow-up directly through WhatsApp throughout the whole process. The most interesting thing is that you don't have to wait months for an appointment or go from pharmacy to pharmacy looking for what was prescribed. Everything is done online conveniently with specialized medical follow-up. And to get started, it's very simple. You just need to access the Manual website, answer a quick questionnaire about your health and hair history, and then the licensed doctor will evaluate your case. If recommended, the treatment is produced by a partner pharmacy and sent to your home with free shipping and a discreet box without any brand identification on the outside. And the coolest part is that each treatment is personalized according to the diagnosis made by the licensed professionals. And the medications come from partner pharmacies safely and conveniently. So turn your goal of taking care of yourself into reality with the convenience and support of Manual. 2026 has started, and it's time to put your goals into practice. We know that taking better care of your health and appearance is at the top of most people's lists. And Manual helps you turn your goal of taking better care of yourself into reality. Don't let your self-care goal become a forgotten January promise. Start taking action today for your well-being, confidence, and self-esteem. And here's the thing, if you use my coupon EUCLICOTUDO you'll get 40 off your first purchase and also receive a free toiletry bag as a gift. So if you're noticing the first signs of hair loss or want to better understand how to take care of your hair, visit Manual's website and check out the success stories on social media. The link to start taking care of yourself today is right here in the description. Back to it. Well, moving on here, like I said at the beginning of the video, for me this new feature still isn't showing up in Gemini, so I have to access it through Flow. I'll put the link right here in this video's description. So, after you get into the tool here, I'll show you now what I've already managed to do and then what you can do with this new feature called Ingredients to Video. So let's go. This is the video I created yesterday. Take a look at how it turned out.
Dancing to the beat of my own game, yeah.
Cool, right? How did I make this video? I generated this vertical image right here using Gemini itself and used the following prompt. The woman is singing a song and dancing at the same time. That's it. And it gave me this result here. It's really cool because I uploaded a vertical image as a reference, it kept the consistency, and gave me this result here. So it's just like they said back at the keynote that now you can keep the consistency of your video. Why? You're going to generate the image using any artificial intelligence model, upload it here to Veo 3.1, and turn that static image into a super smooth, coherent, and really cool video. Let's go to the next example now. Can I have a beer, please? Right away, boss. In this other test here, I did the same thing. I generated an image using Gemini, then I uploaded the image here and asked it to create a dialogue between the bartender and the cowboy who was coming into the bar, and it gave me this result here. It's the same thing. Vertical image, I asked it to put the dialogue in Brazilian Portuguese. The only thing I forgot was to put in the prompt that I didn't want any kind of text, no subtitles. So it generated this subtitle here, but it's full of mistakes. But you can fix this just by adding an instruction in the prompt that you don't want any kind of text, no subtitles generated in your video. Let's go. I'll show you now how this new feature called Ingredients to Video works. And one thing that's important to mention, to create these two videos here, each of them used up 20 credits. There's also that new feature to turn a 720p video into 1080p, and this upscaling, at least at the time I'm recording this video, didn't cost me any credits. I was able to increase the video's resolution without having to spend any credits. However, I'll show you that on my Pro account, upscaling to 4K still isn't available, at least not on the Pro account, only if I upgrade to an Ultra account, alright? So let's go. I'll click here on New Project. I'm going to activate elements to video now. Then the plus sign appears here for what? So I can add the elements. So I'm going to upload. When you open the first image, it already asks you to choose if you want it in portrait or landscape format. I'll just leave it as landscape. I'll click on crop and save. And now I'm going to add my second image. The process is the same. Upload. The second image is selected here. I'll also leave it in landscape and I'll save. I'm going to paste my prompt here. Notice that here I have the option to choose if I want the video in vertical or horizontal. I'll keep it in landscape format. For the quantity, you can choose up to 4. I'll leave just 1. And for now, this feature, Elements to Video or Ingredients to Video, is only available here in Veo 3.1 Fast. Alright, once that's done, I'll send it and let's see how this video turns out. Done, it's already finished. It used my 2 images as reference. Let's see how it looks. Pretty cool, right? So did you see what they said about consistency? I had 2 images there. First, from this really futuristic environment here. Then the camera moved around the environment until it reached the 3 cans. And the result was impressive. So you can see that to generate this video here, it used up 20 credits I had, 960. Now I have 940. Now, if I want to upscale this video here, I just need to click the download button and the options already appear. Animated GIF, 270p, original size, 720p, or upscaled resolution, 1080p. If I want to upscale to 4K, then I have to upgrade to an Ultra account. For now, it's still not available for Pro accounts. But I've already seen some posts saying that to upscale to 4K, it will consume 50 credits. So I'm going to increase the resolution to 1080p here, and let's see how it turns out. You can see that it's already finished upscaling. It asked me to save it directly to my computer. I'll save it on the desktop, then check the result. Look, it's much better. So originally I had the video here in 720p, then it did the upscale and turned it into 1080p. It's much better. The only thing is that even using a Pro account, when I generate it, the view watermark still appears. And that's a problem, especially when you generate videos for professional purposes. No one wants that watermark to keep showing up. For example, when you're generating a video for a commercial, an ad, or a marketing campaign. It seems that on Ultra accounts, the view watermark doesn't appear. It has an internal watermark that stays in the metadata, and this external one here in the corner of the video doesn't show up. But on Pro accounts, it still appears. Let's try another example now. I'll go back here to Flow. New project. Ingredients to video. I'll upload now. Image number 1. I'll continue here in landscape mode, but as you saw, you can also set it to portrait mode. Second image. And now my prompt. In the tests I did here at home, Flow doesn't do very well when you type the prompt in Portuguese. Sometimes it can't even generate your video. So, I recommend that you use any AI or Google Translate to translate the prompt, because if you put it here in Brazilian Portuguese, it won't work. So you can even put the whole prompt in English, and when you want, for example, it to say a sentence in Brazilian Portuguese, then you specify. But the prompt in general needs to be in English, otherwise it won't work properly. So, that being said, let's see how this second example will turn out. Let's check it out first in 720p IC. Pretty cool, right? Let's do the upscale now. It's finished here, let's watch it. Pretty nice, right? So this new feature here for upscaling ends up making your video look much more professional, even with the watermark. One last example I want to show you is the combination of several images. Since they're now emphasizing vertical video production, mainly for mobile, I'm going to upload these 3 images to Flow, and let's see what it can do. Now I'm going to choose the portrait format here and save the 3 images. Done. Images uploaded. I'll paste my prompt and ask it to create. Done. It's finished here. Let's watch.
You're the melody I can't escape, the love song of my heart, you make the colors blue.
Pretty cool, right? So, as I showed earlier, if you want to upscale, just click here on the download button. If you have a pro account, you can go up to 1080p, but if you want 4K, then you'll have to upgrade. Then the price for this upgrade appears here. Google AI Ultra for the first 3 months costs 609 Rs per month. After that, it goes up to 1,209. In other words, by Brazilian standards and even by US standards, it's pretty expensive. However, if you need to upscale to 4K, then you can buy credits. So, 2,500 credits will cost you 120 Rs, 5,000 credits, 244 Rs, and 20,000 credits, 969 Reais. This is, of course, if you have a pro account and still need to upscale to 4K. Now, if 1080p is enough for you and you have a pro account, when you do the upscale, they won't charge you any extra credits. So, guys, try it out. These features are impressive and really worth it because now you can generate an image using any AI tool, upload that image here, add your prompt, and you can generate a video, both vertically and horizontally. So did you like this update? Do you think this is a preview for the arrival of Veo 4? Let me know in the comments, okay? I'll see you in the next video. Bye.